Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to make these super cute, easy and quick headbands. These headbands are size medium, 55 centimeters. You can make them in less than 30 minutes. Stitch used is a bit textured and there's no seam at all, as you can see. I used Lionbrand wool is thick and quick, which is bulky yarn, 9mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and pair of scissors. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use different color so you can easily see all tricks and tips. To start, chain 46. I wanna say that I'm not a native English speaker, but I'm trying to improve myself, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope it's understandable for you. After we chain 46, we will join them in round. Be careful not to twist. Check it twice for any twist. For round 1, chain 1 and make half double crochet in each remaining chains till the end of this round. One half double crochet in each remaining chain till the end of this round. Join with slip stitch on top of our first half double crochet stitch. Chain 1 again for round 2. At the beginning of each round, be careful not to skip the first stitch because till the end we will work in third loop here. This one is our first stitch. Be careful not to skip it because we will decrease this way. And we don't want to decrease till the end of our project. So for round 2, again we have to make one half double crochet in third loop of each stitch. Again we have one V here and one V at the back side. We will work in this third loop. Continue with round 2 and I will show what to do at the end of this round. So here again, be careful not to make a half double crochet in this slip stitch chain, because we don't count this as a stitch. You have to repeat these rows 4 more times. You have to repeat this second round 4 more times. And in the last round, again, join with slip stitch on top of our half double crochet. Cut the yarn, leave a longer tail for sewing. If you wish, you can leave a longer tail or less, depends on you. Take the tapestry needle, insert the yarn. If you have a tapestry needle with bigger eye, it will be more comfortable for you. Now insert the tapestry needle and carry on the yarn till the end round, till the last round, sorry. Now take off your needle and wrap around the headband this long tail, so the joining area will not be visible. It's perfect project for last minute Christmas gift, or as another gift. It's not only for Christmas, it's really quick and easy pattern to follow. We have only 6 rounds. Now tie all the ends and wave them in. Voila! Our headband is ready. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our latest video tutorials.